Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best H62 Humidifier Filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal air quality and comfort in your home, especially during dry seasons when your humidifier works overtime to combat arid conditions. This filter is designed to capture impurities, minerals, and other airborne particles that can degrade your humidifier's performance and negatively impact the air you breathe, ensuring that every puff of mist is as clean and refreshing as possible. Number 5. Air Filter Factory H62 Humidifier Wick Filter 4-Pack. Ensure your home's air is fresh and clean with our premium humidifier Wick filters. Designed for optimal performance, they provide maximum moisture output for your comfort. Proudly made in the USA, these filters are crafted from high-quality paper pulp for superior wicking. They are reinforced with aluminum for extended durability and lifespan. For best results, use filtered water, as hard water can reduce the filter's lifespan. Avoid running your furnace above 72 degrees Fahrenheit, as this can make your humidifier work harder. It's normal for these filters to discolor over time, depending on your water quality. Remember to flip the filter after each tank refill to maintain consistent performance. To ensure a perfect fit, always check the model tag on your humidifier before ordering. This tag is usually located on the bottom or side of the unit. This package contains 4 filters, offering an easy and convenient solution for your replacement needs. Keep your humidifier running efficiently with this ample supply. What we like. This filter is proudly made in the USA with high-quality paper pulp and aluminum reinforcement for extended life. If you prioritize domestic manufacturing and a durable filter that can withstand harder water conditions, this is a great choice. It comes in a convenient 4-pack, making it easy to keep your humidifier running smoothly. What people say. The filters fit correctly, are easy to install, and each one lasts a reasonable time, removing contaminants and hard water deposits from the water. The filters were an exact match to the old one. Good quality. Number 4. Colorfullife H62 Humidifier Filter A for Homes. Experience rapid humidification with our advanced multi-layer honeycomb design. It maximizes moisture absorption, ensuring your home reaches optimal humidity levels between 40% and 60%. Breathe easier with clean, moist air. This filter effectively captures impurities from water, preventing white powder from settling and maintaining your humidifier's peak performance. Enjoy relief from dry air, especially during winter. It works with your unit to provide consistent moisture, enhancing your comfort and well-being. This pack includes 6 filters, offering great value for maintaining your humidifier. We recommend replacing them every 2 to 3 months for continued optimal performance. For best results, soak the filter in cool water before use. Flipping it daily and using distilled water will ensure continuous output and prolong its life. These filters are designed to fit a wide range of Holmes and Sunbeam humidifier models. Check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect match for your unit. What we like. This option offers a 6-pack of filters featuring a multi-layer honeycomb design for maximum moisture absorption and is made from FSC-certified paper. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with a focus on optimal humidity output and a commitment to sustainability, this filter is ideal. It's perfect for those who want to ensure their home stays comfortably humidified throughout the dry seasons. What people say. These last about 45 days with a water conditioner added. Great filters keeping the humidifier air clean. These fit and worked perfectly in my humidifier. Not only does it provide humidity, it also helps filter the air. Number 3. VEVA Premium Humidifier Filters 3-Pack. Introducing the VEVA Premium Humidifier Filters, designed to provide exceptional value and clean air for your home. Get more filter quantity for a healthier living environment. These filters are designed for a perfect fit with various humidifier series, including those that use Filter E, ensures seamless integration with your existing unit. Replacing your filters more often is now easy and affordable. Maintain a germ-free and mold-free home with improved air quality thanks to this value pack. Experience maximum moisture output with our advanced Wick filter design. It captures minerals from hard water and features an activated charcoal layer to combat odors effectively. Enjoy long-lasting performance and cleaner air. This 3-pack ensures you have a steady supply of high-quality filters for continuous operation. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our responsive customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This premium filter boasts an activated charcoal outer layer to combat odors, along with a design that captures minerals from hard water. If you're sensitive to smells or dealing with hard water that causes unpleasant odors in your humidifier, this filter is an excellent selection. It ensures a cleaner, fresher smelling home and offers exceptional value with its 3-pack. What people say. Fits our old Honeywell humidifier perfect. Good quality. They work better than others. I change them every 6 weeks. These VEVA filters arrive in a 3-pack, and each one is individually wrapped so they are sealed from airborne contaminants until they are ready to be used. These VEVA filters just do not go moldy. The VEVA filter lasts 2 months and still it has no mold. These have saved me so much work, constantly cleaning and replacing filters. Number 2. 8-pack humidifier wicking filter for Holmes H62. Introducing our high-quality replacement filters, designed to help you breathe easier again. Get back to a healthier lifestyle with cleaner air. These filters are compatible with a wide range of Holmes humidifier models, including HM1100, HM1700, and HM2408 series. They also fit select Sunbeam models like SCM1100 and SCM1762. Specifically designed to replace your Holmes HWF62 and HWF62CS filters, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Ensure your home environment remains healthy by using these top-quality filters for your air humidifier. They are essential for maintaining good air quality. This value pack contains 8 humidifier filters, providing you with a convenient supply. We recommend replacing your filter every 2 to 3 months for best results. What we like. This filter comes in a generous 8-pack, emphasizing a healthier lifestyle with its high-quality construction. If you're looking for the best value and want to ensure you have plenty of filters on hand for frequent replacements, this is the one. Its broad compatibility with many Holmes and Sunbeam models makes it a convenient and economical choice for maintaining air quality. What people say. Works exactly as described. It's a filter, it fits, it doesn't fall apart or suck in any way. They work great in my bedside humidifier. This filter fit perfectly same size as the original one. Nice 8-pack I don't have to reorder every month. The filter works great like the original one. Easy to install and holds water very well. Number 1. BestAir H62 PDQ for Extended Life Humidifier Filter. Introducing the Extended Life Humidifier Filter, designed for superior performance. Its reinforced construction ensures it lasts longer, providing up to 150% more strength. Experience cleaner air with our advanced micro-free feature and BestAir technology. It effectively traps impurities and protects against bacteria and other contaminants. Our specially manufactured woven honeycomb pads maximize water absorption. This ensures optimal humidity output for your comfort. Enjoy fresher air thanks to Chloroclear Plus C technology. It neutralizes chlorine in the water, providing a healthier environment. This filter is compatible with a wide range of humidifiers. It fits Holmes, Sunbeam, Touchpoint, Halls, White Westinghouse, and Hamilton Beach models. Get a convenient 4-pack of filters, each measuring 4.5 x 5.0 x 9.25. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your humidifier's performance. What we like. This filter is engineered for extended life with aluminum reinforcement and features micro-free technology to trap impurities and Chloroclear Plus C to neutralize chlorine. If you're concerned about bacteria, microbes, and chlorine odors in your humidifier's output, this filter provides advanced protection. It's designed for maximum water absorption and optimal humidity, making it a superior choice for a healthier indoor environment. What people say. Good products, made in USA. It's easy to install and I use it in my bedroom. Having 2 cats, this machine really clears the air. These filters fit the humidifier from Walmart, which are hard to find. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.